Sledro. You always been a fool, man, but you stupid for this one, man. This is for my young niggas, this is for my paid niggas, this is for my wild niggas, this is for my gang members, this is for them ones that don't care about being hood niggas, this is for them badasses, this is for them good niggas, this is for them fly niggas, this ain't for them broke niggas, this is for them high niggas, rolling up in smoke nigga, this is for them boss niggas that be getting paper, this is for them real niggas, this ain't for them fakers,
this is for them tailors, this is for them tailors, this is for them tailors. This is for them tailors, 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 this is cause I want it, this is for them tailors, bitch nigga and a hater, this is for them tailors, this is for them tailors,
this is for them lil niggas that be going so hard, that be on their grind, know exactly where they post are, trying to get their cheese, trying to get their pockets so large. This for niggas overseas, this is for them dope boys, this is for them joint smokers, this is for them gin sippers, this ain't for no hoe niggas, this ain't for no bitch niggas, this is for them rich niggas that be getting paper. All I do is ball nigga, that's my human nature. This is for them niggas who know that they got strong back. If it ain't strong, we don't blow that. If it ain't strong, it's gon' go back. Money so long, that shit throwback. And my nigga, the shit paid for, I don't owe that. It's a movie, dog, it's a Kodak. And I'm so gone, see you later. This ain't for y'all.
This is for them tailors, 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 this is for them tailors.